guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Jello Chanji for those who are new here. So tomorrow is my daughter's birthday, Lexi, and I'm really low on cash, guys, so I'm just trying to cut costs. I checked into my pantry and realized I have like all ingredients I need to make a vanilla cake. So why buy? And I think it's always special when you eat something made by your own mommy. So Lex is turning 9 and we're all excited about it. So I'm going to take you through the recipe of the cake. So this is the cup I used as my measuring unit. It's always important just to use the same thing so you get accurate measurements. So here I have 4 eggs. This is 4 eggs. This is 2 cups of flour. 1 cup of oil, just ordinary oil, 2 3/4 cup of sugar, and always remember to sieve all the powdered ingredients. And then this is 2 spoons of baking powder, and this is 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and this is 1 cup of milk. So those are my ingredients for this cake. Let's start. So I'm gonna beat the egg up. This is just an ordinary kitchen, guys. I don't have this sophisticated kitchen with all those stuff. I'm just doing my ordinary stuff. Just mix the egg well. The mixed egg, I will add the milk, just add a little at a time until it's all mixed up. Then I will add the vanilla essence. Mix it all up. Then I'll add sugar, of course sieved, a little at a time. This is actually for beating eggs, but as long as it still works for this, I will just use it. Just add a little sugar at a time as you stir. Mix well until the sugar is all dissolved. Then I'm gonna add the oil, 1 cup of oil, just ordinary oil. And I'll mix again until I have a uniform. Oops, I'm that messy, guys. Just mixed it all up. Until all the sugar crystals disappear, and then like you have this uniform mixture. I put it aside. Then I'll take, this is the baking powder. I'll mix it with the flour. I understand it's called flour, not flour. With the flour, which I already sieved. I sieved both of them, sorry. So I'll just mix it all up. Then, sorry, I'll add the flour bit by bit as I mix with this. So you just mix it up until like all the air bubbles are gone and you have a smooth mixture. So guys, my pan is greased. So this is what we call a baking paper. So I'm going to cut it and just give a layer of this pepper inside the pan before I pour in the mixture. So guys, the pepper is all wrapped inside and on the sides and the bottom. So our cake, it's going to help us with the cake not sticking on the, so I'm going to pour in the mixture like that. You don't want to leave a thing, so I'm just going to clear it like that. Good. Then shake it a bit. So this is going to give us a spongy vanilla cake. So let's put it in the oven. So guys, we have preheated the oven for at 180 degrees. So I'm just going to put it in and lay it inside here nicely. Then I'll turn the timer at 40 minutes. I think that's fine. So we are going to bake for the next 40 minutes. So guys, our cake is ready and it's cooled down a bit. It's not completely cool, so I'm going to put it here. Oops. That's it. I hope you can see it. So this is that baking paper I have put. Just gonna take it off like that. Then you see this paper I put here. Let's make it. Wow, it's beautiful. So guys, this is the cake. I think I did it, guys. I think I did it. So guys, that's my cake. It's ready, so I'm just gonna let it cool. Then we will be decorating it for Lexi's birthday tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much for watching the whole process, guys, and please look out for my next video where I will be decorating the cake. It's going to be my first time really decorating a cake, so let's do this together. I think we can do it. Thank you guys for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel, please, and tap on that bell just to get notified whenever I post a video. Thanks guys for watching.